Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you read the title, and today I'm actually going to be sharing you guys another nail brand. I haven't done a nail, so this brand did reach out to me and asked me to review their products, and I'm going to give you guys my first impression and demo in this video of the products that I received, as well as trying them on. But let's get straight into it. So when I opened the package, I haven't actually opened the full package, but when I opened the bag of the package, I received two boxes. First box I'll get into is the box with the actual products. So just off rip, I love the packaging, the black and gold packaging of their box. So, and it says handle with care. They're a vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free formula and HEMA-free brand. And then on the side it says here, hello glamorous, you are on board for amazing VIP manicures. So let me just show you guys more. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I've gotten this package about, I think, 2 days ago, but I didn't want to open it yet because I wanted to actually show you guys the packaging. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it now and tell you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay, I love this. So gotta say this, I like how they put the padding in here, I guess also to prevent leakage, but to keep your product safe. So I definitely like that inside of the cover. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me go ahead on this side. So I love that padding in here. So as you guys can see, there are 5 different polishes, and I will go through the list of them. So I received first the Soak Off Top Coat, Madam Glam. I also received their Soak Off Gel Polish, and let me see, does it say what color it is? It looks like a pink. Oh yes, here it is. It's called, the color is You're So Vain. You're So, I think there's a song like that, but anyway. So you can pretty much see the colors on the top, which I like. So as you guys can see, it shows you it's like a pinkish color, light pink. The brand did ask me like what type of colors I wanted, and I kind of just said I kind of like neutral colors, but I also like some glittery colors, some light colors, pinks, purples. So they did ask me what type of colors did I like, but then I said as well, I'm not really picky, so you can just give me whatever. So yeah, that's why I got pink. Now that I remember, they did ask me that. The next color that I got, actually no, this is not a color, this is the base coat. So you know, you always get the top coat and the base coat to put on, so nothing similar. It's normally like a clear color, but this is their base coat. I also got the other colors that I have. Like I said, I like neutral, so they did give me a neutral color as well. This color here is Delicacy. This kind of gives me a nice, like, still kind of the pinkish tones, but a little bit, I would say, I don't know, mauve. Yeah, this reminds me, the color kind of would give me the mauve feel, but yeah. And you guys see, as you guys can see in the packaging, I like that they also show the colors here, so you kind of have a feel of what the colors are, but they also show it on the top too, so you have a feel of what the colors look like. And the last color, because I got 3 colors, I got a blue color. This is called Pure Cloud, and actually good name, Pure Cloud. And yeah, so this is just the blue color, and again, they show the color here as well. Okay, so another perk that I loved about this is that they gave me these. So I've seen them before, but I've never purchased it because I only use like one gel lamp for everything. So it says Madam Glam New York, and they actually gave me a mini UV LED lamp. So I think that's really easy and safe to use. I want to actually open it for you guys. Oh, I didn't show you guys, but this is just the packaging overall. And yeah, so this is a LED light, but it's pretty much LED light for your nails. It's like a compact one. So literally, take it out the packaging. It's just like a little table. That's what it reminds me of. But as you guys can see, it comes like this. It's a pink one. It is USB powered, and then it just has the on button here. It looks like it needs to be charged, so I can't really use it right now. Yeah, it needs to be charged. But yeah, it says Madam Glam on it. And then it says it cures for 45 to 60 seconds, I believe. I was trying to get this out to show you guys. Okay, here we go. So as you guys can see, it makes a little table. So this is perfect. You can literally just set it up anywhere, and then you use it, which I like. You can just set it up. I mean, I wouldn't suggest doing it on your bed, maybe not, but you can find a spot and just have it set, and then just put your hand under, which I like. And it kind of, you have the freedom to just slide your hand under it and use it, so I like that. But I definitely have to charge it to use it. And it also came with the USB cord, of course, to charge it, so I'm going to definitely charge that so I can come back. And I'll probably, by the time I come back, you guys probably will see me with the setup and me showing you guys how I actually do my nails and everything. So yeah, I'll see you then. So I'm going ahead and starting with the Madam Glam, their base coat application first, as that is always your first step into using your nail polish. And as you can see, I'm doing my thumb separately because all 5 nails, did not fit under the lamp at once. Now I decided to mix and match my colors, so I'm using the Madam Glam, the Delicacy color, and the Your Sylvain color. And I would say the nail polish is very thick, so a little definitely goes a long way.
Some days I think I'm a little bit too old for this, like a grown man in children's clothes. Long sleeve shirt with the sleeve way above my wrist, and my gut hanging out below. I was a painter, a saint, and an activist from the comfort of my duvet. You know what a feeling to feel even half of it and fall to another place on my way. And as I'm passing, the way to crashing dissipates into a foregone glue. And in the ashes, we can imagine the pretty passions of what we gon' do. I have to, by the seconds in official conversation, repetition, reputation, left to right, automation, break a kicking, chicken, kicking by a condo, out the cadence. I won't wait around the waiting room to make it, I'ma find my way. Find a way out.
I'm going ahead and applying the top coat to do the finish and last coat on this nail, or on this hand rather.
Some days I hope, I sit, I pray for it, even though I know it never really comes. Sometimes I sit, I wait, I swear by it, give it up when I'm feeling dumb. Sometimes
Start with the pros and cons, because even though this was gifted to me once again, as always, I'm trying to be transparent on my channel and give you guys the honest of everything. So pros, I love the colors, hands down. The colors that they chose for me were perfect. I did do 2 of the colors, which you guys will see when I did the demo now, so I like that. My only con really was unfortunately the LED lamp, for whatever reason, you guys won't notice it because I kind of cut off the camera after a certain point, but I noticed as I was after like I did the top coat mainly, like my nails wasn't curing. And if you've ever tried gel nail polish, you know that your nails have to cure, because if it doesn't cure, then you're gonna have gunkiness. And some of my nails are just a tad bit gunky. I fixed it, but just a little bit, because I was touching other stuff, and then, you know, like anything clings to it. So if it's not fully cured, it kind of becomes sticky and all that stuff. But long story short, so I don't know if it's the lamp that I got, but it wasn't curing it enough, and meaning it wasn't drying it fully. And with gel nail polish, you know that you have to be under a LED lamp, because if not, you can't air dry it. It's not gonna work. It's gonna be like mush. So I actually had to use my other LED lamp to actually get it to cure. It did cure when I used my other one. I put my nails under that one. And my other con about the lamp also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but your whole hand can't fit under it. So I had to like do my thumb separately. So I would suggest probably doing these four first, and then going ahead and painting your thumb last. Because I think the issue also was like I would paint this thumb and then I put it to the side, and then I'm messing up this nail, my thumb. So that's what I would suggest. Do your fours painted first, and then go ahead and do your thumb. But before I end this, I do have a coupon code, so definitely would recommend trying them for their nail polishes. I think they have a lot of nice colors. I did go on their website before I got my package, and I was just looking at the different colors that they had, and they have a good variety of different colors and different kits as well. I believe they give different kits, so this is just, I just got one standard kit. They have different kits of other colors, glitters, and all that stuff. I do have a coupon code though. You can definitely, I'll leave the link for the kit, but the coupon code is Abby, ABI George, GORGE 30. So Abby George 30. I'll leave it down on the screen as well, but it also will be in the description box, as well as the link to the website, so that you guys can go ahead and purchase and get some money off if you are interested in trying a new brand, vegan based brand. If you're looking for something like that, definitely you can go ahead and try them. But thank you once again to Madam Glam for sending me these products to try. Really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and hit the notification button and subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And